Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your Xiaomi Redmi 10C. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, start search for an app, write Microsoft Edge, hit the search button, select this app and install. After installation process is complete, we can open our app and here customize it. First thing, sign in to turn on sync, and that way you'll be able to synchronize other devices that are using the same browser. I'm not gonna do that, sign in later. Next step is to enable or disable sharing data preferences with Microsoft, so I'm not gonna do that. Press confirm to go to the next step, and here you can set the Microsoft Edge as your default browser. So yes, let's do it. From here, click More, find Edge, click on it, and it will be set as your default browser. So here's the browser and it should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.